Welcome to this Blender training course about creating a stylized forest environment. Over the span of 14 videos, you will learn a broad spectrum of skills, including low poly modeling from scratch, generating trees and plants with the sapling add-on, populating grass and trees with particles, material creation, lighting, and rendering with Eevee, as well as final tweaks with the compositor. It's a comprehensive environment creation project, but thanks to the stylized, low-poly aesthetic, each step of the process is simpler than its realistic counterpart. While I thoroughly enjoy realism, the stylized approach is very liberating artistically. Things like dialing in atmospheric depth to taste, sweeping everything with vibrant color gradients, and leveraging physically inaccurate materials to focus viewers' attention. Overall, it's a very flexible and, well, fun way to create. This course is 4 hours of general environment workflow, outside-the-box tips and tricks, and guidance for honing your artistic vision. I will see you in the forest.